So what is brainstorming and why is it important? Well, brainstorming is a creative process where an individual or group think laterally and creatively to come up with ideas. This is where you search your mind for thoughts, opinions, solutions and so on, and it's actually great fun when you get into it. I consider brainstorming to be a right side of the brain process. It's not rational and methodical, it's more intuitive and creative. Don't worry so much about having the correct answer, that's not the point. Some of your ideas from your brainstorm may be discarded later and that's okay. While brainstorming the topic, you will create a diagram called a mind map. From this diagram, you will group your thoughts into an essay plan, which we will cover later. Because the IELTS Task 2 essay requires your thoughts and knowledge and sometimes your opinions, you need to come up with ideas so you can put them into your essay plan before you start writing. That's why brainstorming is important. So, how do you start brainstorming? You must make sure you fully understand what the question requirement is and what your essay's topic is, and that's why we have our question analysis process. We'll look at our notes from the question analysis of the transport question and discuss how we can brainstorm that topic in the next video. Okay, so how do I brainstorm this transport topic? This is a difficult process to explain in theory or words. It's best explained in practice or by doing an example. But what I can say is that when brainstorming, you must ask yourself questions. You must dig deep. You must think critically and you must be creative. So, with our example question, after finding the topic, which is transport and cars with their problems and solutions, it could be good to start by asking yourself, what do I think about transport and cars? And what do I know about transport and cars? Think of your own life. Do you drive? Have you ever been stuck in traffic? How did that feel? Or do you know people who drive? What about buses and trains? Do you use them? Do you like using them? What's the situation in your home country with transport and cars? Is it different to the UK? What about other places where you've visited, studied, worked or seen in movies? It's all about the questions. Just ask yourself the right questions. I like to draw diagrams when I think creatively. That's why I recommend the mind map technique, which is interlinked with the brainstorming process. Watch me finish brainstorming the transport topic and see how I convert my ideas into a mind map in the next video.